Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. 10,000 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to Boulevard.com. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the excellent. Room category and you can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and packages, etc. Category 2. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, nine type of room is available on agoda.com and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is superb and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. This hotel is 2 p.m. Chennai time of this property is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please go to link in description. If you have visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotels.